Yo, boys. What's good? Welcome back. CRV chain. It's more tonight, but welcome back to another trade recap. Today I'm going to go over the trade I took today. 60-point banger, 59.5 technically, but 60-point banger today. Risked 30 points on this trade. Not bad at all. And yeah, I'm gonna go over it. Go over why I took this, what I was thinking, stuff like that. Blah 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 blah. So we're gonna do that now. First things first, we came into market open. We swept Asia already, Asia low, London high. All we really had was London low, which again, I don't know why I said again, but again. Anyway, we had London low coming up to market open, but we sweeped it almost. Bro, why am I hiccuping? We sweeped it almost immediately, meaning, all right, all of our session liquidity is gone. Except like New York AM high, but that's a very, in my opinion, that I've seen a weak, not a very strong draw. And so I was like, all right. Look pretty bearish, obviously on the higher time frame, we look really bearish. After open, after this one out, blah blah blah, stuff like that. We look really bearish. So I'm like, all right, whatever. And part of my strat again, if you want I'm in a kind of a hurry right now, so I'm gonna rush through this. But if you want more breakdowns, I have more trader caps on this page. But yeah, mark these 5 minutes. Marking 5 minute, should have marked this one, but I was looking for this one for short, so I didn't. But yeah, after we swept London, I marked this 5 minute because I thought maybe we could reverse and we could take longs after sweeping London up to the AM high, but we never we swept it, but we didn't really come up off of it. We kind of just kept dumping. Especially that 5 minute closed really bearish, no bottom wick at all. So I was like, all right, doesn't look like we're gonna sweep it and come back up. So we're gonna probably just keep running it. And so then I'm like, all right, where can I find 5/15 minute for value gaps inverse? I go all the way over here. And this gap is from August 6th, so 14 days ago. But that's okay. These gaps don't have a limit. Gap right here that I was looking at inverse, and you might be like, okay, what about all the other gaps? There's not really any. This was kind of the only one we had to choose from. So, yeah, kind of worked out well actually, because it's pretty easy to find the one that we're using. Anyway. And then, so now once I marked that, all I'm looking for is just a 1 minute close below. Also, but before I say that is, look, where did I set my TPs? How did I know that? 15 minute lows, my favorite. 15 minute low here, 15 minute low here, 15 minute low here, 15 minute low here. Just marked that even before I got in the trade. And then after I marked those, I went back over here and boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom. And I was like, all right, marked our 15-minute lows. These are all the TPs I have to choose from. So I can either choose this one, this one, this one, or this one. And 60 points is plenty enough for me. So I was like, I'm going to target this one. So I targeted that. And after we got the 1 minute close below the 5 minute gap, I set my limit order at this 50% or consequent encroachment. At 23,234. Set my limit order there. We came up, tapped it. Stop loss was just 30 points. Ideally, you always want to do it above the candle, but a one candle retracement was a little too much. I also saw this 1 minute, so I was like, you could have done it also up here, but I was like, 40 points is a lot of risk for me. I only like to risk around 30. 30 is usually the most, 30, maybe a little more, but I was like, okay, a hard 30-point stop, just 30 points. Looks good. Again, that's kind of discretionary. But yeah, I just did it a little above this wick because if we were to come above this top wick of this candle, I would at least most likely think that we were going to keep going up because again, I wanted the quick shorts down. I didn't want a retracement. I wanted the quick shorts down. If we do come back up a little bit, then I probably wouldn't want to be in the trade anyway. So 30 points seemed, sufficient for me, and it worked out good. We came up, we had this good topic. I was like, all right, if we engulf this on the 1 minute, then this is gonna rip. And right at the 1 minute open, we caught down right here, we were gonna engulf it. And I was like, okay, this looks really good. Just close here. But then again, we came down a lot, and I was like, all right, well, this is gonna hit. And then I just want to say, we had the second 1 minute that got really close to our TP, but then this green candle came up. And a lot of people in the Discord that were trading with me live for free, by the way, that you can join in the link in description. You could join. I live stream for free every day. Literally, you could copy these trades for free. all those people that were copy trading me on the live, a lot of them got out on this green candle because they got scared of this retracement. And I was like, guys, this is gonna hit. Like, let's stay in the trade. I'm gonna stay in it. I'm holding my hard TP. If we hit it, we hit it. I also said I'm going to break even at this point. And after this 1 minute, we came down, wicked into my TP, and then later, obviously, we ran all these TPs. You know, if you had your TPs lower, but 60 points. Great for me. I do not need more than that. That's honestly too much because I got to worry about consistency rules, but it's fine. And I took this with 1 mini, so that was like 1,200 on per account for that. It's like 1,180. But yeah, pretty W trade. Really, really good. I've been cooking. Really wish the trade yesterday would have played out, which if you go back and watch that video, we were literally like, that trade should have played out. But just to go over real quick, by the way, let me pull up the Discord real quick. If you go to the Discord, you can see, you know, the trade profits from today. We had Manny make 800, Sierra Ivy made 1,200, and then he said 1,200 on 3 accounts, so it's 3.8K in one trade. Marley made 900. Amar made however much that is. I guess he didn't put how much he made, but he took the trade, I guess. Easton made 473, I think, on 2 XFAs, and then 1,500 on an eval. 100 made 1,000, and then this guy made 2K on his XFA. 2K for this guy, for $45 for this guy. I don't know what that was about. That was sent a lot later. But yeah, and I live trade in this channel, live trading every day. You can check the schedule. Every day it's free. At least for now. So get into it while you can be. I'm doing it the rest of August, if not more. So yeah, live trading literally every single day. Today we had like 70 people in there. I'm trying to get it to 100 every day. So come join the live trading, link in bio. Also, make sure to use code CRV at MyFunded Futures, code CRV at Alpha Futures. Alpha Futures is doing 25% off, I think, for only the next 2 days. So 25% off all accounts. The zero accounts have no activation fee if you want to look into those. I really recommend those for beginners. And so, yeah, CRV on Alpha, CRV on MFF. And, yeah, W trade today. Probably missed some stuff, but that's a very quick breakdown of it. And I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully for another trade recap if we take a trade. If I'm flat, I won't post one. But, yeah, we've been ripping these trade recaps. Y'all seem to like them, so I'm going to keep doing them. And make sure to join the Discord, link in bio. And crvshirts.com if you want trading merch and all that. All right, boys. Peace out. Have a good one. Peace.